Hello friends, welcome to Kolpa Creations by Ruchita. Today we are going to make Sabudana waffle using waffle iron. You can eat this in breakfast, lunch or in the evening snack or give it in the tiffin box also. First of all, wash and grate the raw potato from the grater. I have not removed peel, you can remove it. Now take soaked sabudana. This sabudana is soaked for 3 to 4 hours. This is small in size. You can take normal size sabudana also. Now add salt to taste, peanut powder. This is roasted peanut powder. You can see its recipe in the description box below. Now add black pepper powder near about half teaspoon or according to your taste. This is pinch of sugar. This is optional, but it will give nice color. This is cumin powder. You can also use cumin seeds. Mix it well. Add little bit of chili powder according to taste, or you can add chili flakes also. Mix it well. If you are new to my channel, then please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified as soon as I upload my new video. If you like this video, then please share it with your family and friends. It in waffle iron, we have to heat the waffle iron first. So I have started it and kept it for 2 to 3 minutes. And now put the sabudana mixture in this. We have to just put it in it waffle iron and press it. Now keep it for 3 to 4 minutes or till we get nice color on waffle. You can see in this video I will give you small tips for this. So here I have not applied oil and waffle became nice, but it is little chewy. So what I got to know that if you apply little bit of oil, the waffle will be nice crunchy and you will get a beautiful color. As I am using raw potato here, you can see a beautiful color I have got and it is crispy. In this waffle I have applied little bit of oil, and because of oil we got a nice color and crunch to this waffle. If you don't apply oil to waffle iron, then it will be little chewy. So this is the waffle which I made from normal sabudana pearls, and these are little sticky. The dough is little sticky, but after here also I am applying little bit of oil. Cover it up and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. You can see the beautiful color on this waffle, and it cooks very nice and tastes very. You can serve this sabudana waffle with yogurt, sweet pickle or fruits or ketchup. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment box. Thank you. Bye bye.